it's comfortable for you to work with. All right, you want to have a good workflow. Now let's look at these settings. So the most commonly used, the most important settings, I would say, levels in Fibonacci is the 23.6. That's the first retracement level that you see in Fibonacci. Then we have the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement, and then it's the 61.8. Now 50, 0.5 that you see here is the 50% Fibonacci retracement. That is not a Fibonacci sequence. That is not a Fibonacci level, but it's still used a lot in Fibonacci, especially when it comes to trading, because it correlates good with the other numbers, the other levels. So the next one is 61.8. Then we have this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement and the 88.6 Fibonacci retracement. And if you guys been along, been hanging on the streams, then you know that I use these two levels a lot, because this is what I call the supply and demand levels. And I might explain further on in the stream why this is the supply and demand levels, and I might also explain why the 50% to the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement levels are so-called the sweet spot zone. Then we have extensions as well, extension levels, but we're going to jump into them later on. First, we start with the basics. So this is the levels that you saw in my settings. All right,